Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the medRxiv scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect medical and health sciences preprints from medRxiv.org. If you're doing literature reviews, tracking emerging research, or building academic datasets, this tool lets you collect complete preprint data without any manual searching. This scraper pulls comprehensive preprint article data directly from medRxiv.org, including article titles, authors and publication dates, abstracts and full text content, DOIs and citation info, funding statements and competing interest declarations, version history, and a direct PDF download links. So, how does it work? You can run this scraper in two different ways, but you must only choose one. You can either input a URL from the medRxiv.org website. You can either get one by searching any term you wish or clicking one here, and then simply copying the URL, or you can even use an advanced search, set up your filters, and then copy the URL once you search for it. And you paste it in here. You can also use a simple search query and select the sort order you wish. And then finally select the maximum number of items you want scraped. And once you're ready, you can start the actor once, or you can schedule it to run according to your needs. For this example, we'll run it once. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one preprint, and it includes full abstract and extracted article text, author lists and corresponding author details, funding and declaration statements, and a link to the direct PDF. You can also export all this data into a JSON, CSV, or Excel file for further analysis. If you work with medical or health sciences research, this medRxiv scraper gives you fast, structured access to preprints that would normally take hours to collect manually. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.